Binance versus BingX, which crypto exchange is better? Choosing the right crypto exchange can completely change how you trade and manage your assets without unnecessary fees or limited features. Both offer unique benefits for different types of traders. Binance and BingX are two popular crypto exchanges, but they serve different user needs. Binance focuses on a vast selection of cryptocurrencies and advanced trading tools, while BingX emphasizes social trading and copy trading features for a more community-driven experience. Binance is one of the largest and most established cryptocurrency exchanges globally. It offers a comprehensive platform with thousands of cryptocurrencies, spot and futures trading, staking, and savings options. Binance operates with high liquidity, ensuring fast trade execution and competitive fees. Its advanced interface suits professional traders who need detailed charts, technical analysis tools, and API access. Binance also provides a secure environment with robust safety measures like two-factor authentication and withdrawal whitelist. However, its complexity may overwhelm beginners, and regulatory challenges in some countries can limit access or features. Ideal users are active traders and investors looking for a wide asset range, deep liquidity, and advanced tools to execute complex strategies. Binance's ecosystem also includes a native token, BNB, which offers fee discounts and utility across its services. BingX is a crypto exchange that stands out for its social trading and copy trading capabilities. It allows users to follow and replicate trades from experienced investors, making it attractive for beginners or those who prefer a hands-off approach. BingX supports spot and derivatives trading with a focus on user-friendly design and community interaction. It offers competitive fees and a growing selection of cryptocurrencies, though not as extensive as Binance. BingX's platform integrates social features like real-time trade feeds and leaderboards, fostering engagement and transparency. While it may lack some advanced charting tools found on Binance, BingX simplifies the trading experience and reduces the learning curve. Its security protocols include standard industry practices such as two-factor authentication. BingX is ideal for traders who want to leverage community insights, learn from professionals, or engage in copy trading without needing deep technical knowledge or complex interfaces. Comparing Binance and BingX highlights clear trade-offs. Binance excels in asset variety, liquidity, and advanced trading features, making it perfect for experienced traders executing complex strategies. However, its interface can be intimidating for newcomers. BingX offers a more approachable experience with social and copy trading, ideal for beginners or those seeking community-driven insights. While BingX has fewer cryptocurrencies and simpler tools, its social features provide guidance and reduce the barrier to entry. Both platforms maintain strong security, but Binance's global presence means more regulatory scrutiny. Choosing between them depends on your trading style. If you prioritize extensive options and professional tools, Binance is the better fit. If you value ease of use and social trading, BingX stands out. Binance is recommended for advanced traders seeking a broad crypto selection, deep liquidity, and comprehensive trading tools to support sophisticated investment strategies. BingX is the better choice for beginners or social traders who want to follow experts and simplify their trading journey. Both platforms are secure and reliable, so your decision should align with your experience level and trading preferences for the best results.